dorje chanche de lo na ro da ma ba me la che che ga bo ba de sa she ja ken ken karma ba she she join ge je pan ze na da nian da zha mian yin gen da rinpo che riwan pa sam ge xin de chen pa ma mo pa yin lo do ko lo rinpo che norbo rinpo che simo rinpo che sa she Adala memem je omboda geceler şu ki sonra cevap namazı geceler o duji de ve ba de ni je da mezun jene de ada jojo da geceden na de jelamra cevap kanzu da deni de ve je jeme ge ni ma de va de da de laye ge darlan de je ge rumoda da ve ganam da ro gunje da ge zamba tamje ge do da ge je den do ga ge de ro jong ga bo ba ye me ba 제밤에마다 제밤에마다 매바와마르메바다 데데메데제메 루바니 제시데 바조바상 야마남 나바데라 잔젤로 표조바 방가나유 주리좀바사와 게베레 자주스마 지조르메게 마메세베절라 샤한자 시에가라 케르비고 예제베오든 두젤레라바 게베데마고 네선자바 그 유rum보절라 샤한자 원래도 지상화를 근소와 라마가마바 이거로 인조는 세베 위담내죠. 틀레고 이제적으로 먼저 주변 배제자들라 내주제적 비변을 라면도 지경어랑 원대자야 라마를 보제 나게 주로 배면되죠라 그런 집에 권해 죄송데 구성도 예무조자도 다들 이제 방어 대지메기 그저听你吧 초백갑들이야 치규나베 경그 잡던 것도 교백이 유就是讲我们切当大能性给开了给新年에미세 그 중국 하는 베베 주만 안 봤어. 안 되지는 대전 베게 세계만서 상물로리아. 토마 거수 섬주셔야
First of all, I would like to offer my warm welcome to His Eminence Jamgon Rinpoche, the protector for all beings, as well as all of the Khenpos, spiritual masters and tulkus, and all of the nuns from the Kaju nunneries, as well as all the other monastics and lay people who are here. I would like to offer you a very warm welcome.
나 주매 군신디 나 도마 쪽에 걸려. 다 간다를 지 가지고 조디 그유 주매 근데가 나로래야 지 새벽이 대 Shebe Desanado Yanaji Shebe Cheni Yargia Combeya that the Desi Miu Chigdere Miu Chigde the name Gombaso Sosugi Genkuwa Zamaimba Samegi Nyamjeg Tony and Edgy Carre Gingurus Lense Chedunyam di Chevina then they get a Nuba Cheverche Tunga Summer of that Digi Mius with the Zubres.
When we first initiated this winter Dharma gathering for the nuns, the first aim of this was primarily to strengthen the education within the Kaju nunnery. So that was one aim. And another aim was so that the nuns would be able to not just take responsibility for the activities within their own nunneries, but also to take wider responsibilities for upholding the teachers. And so this is another second greater aim.
Tenindu tata lyog chare mina ji zuma de zui kashuda ta de da mangbuji ore da ta dine jeda nyamdo tene tabu tagengi nanine sonde tabu tagengi tonema ji sheba charum ji bozu yore 대균선 데 가르인 수비입니다. 초진의 나니네 나니 팅당부 인상 팅당부 인두산에 지 가주에다 주메 bomba 칸나로 양지 가주에다 바 용수 정바 섬으로 왔다지 군주 신다주는 신지기 용수 정바로지 가주에 주슈치알 디스강에 비존디 아래 인두산에 안디 첩리아 아니 지 송주를 차차베 안 달로를 차차비미나 아니 바지 군주 신다주는 신기 주마서 원에 아니 용수 정바로지 가주에 난투야 다들 주저와 야래 임비네야 다 고주 사회 민주산 아니 모두이네 다부 다겐기 세바디 제고야로 저야래
Now, last year, in the first Winter Dharma gathering for nuns, we began the teachings on the jewel ornament of liberation. The reason was that last year it would have been difficult, since it was the first time for the nunneries to gather like this. It would have been difficult to do the full regular Winter Dharma gathering or Guncha instruction. And so in place of that, we had the teachings. This year, now we have the capabilities to do the complete Guncha, the complete Dharma gathering. We are able to do that. However, last year we started the teachings, and since we started them, then we need to continue them this year.
다내야 다베타겐디 냐면 답을하지기 덴주 남은 답을하지 제베 덴주 개치슈지 차디야래 다가는 신기 다 답을하지기 유반들라 가자 주 가자 주 닌데스 안 당말이야 가자 주 진데스 다 간다라 또 중국 아래들이 인도산에 다 가자 주 닌데기 숑 개시슈디에 답을 답을 다게 섬을 또 니차디 아래 세상 딜리아 아주 그 유의 참여기 딜리아 천년 차다 딜리아 지숑 딜리아 통난 제야디 개청시지 통구에라 ngarangoine 통고도
Now, the jewel ornament of liberation is the most important of the treatises written by Gampopa, the physician from Dakpo. And in terms of the jewel ornament of liberation, in terms of its pedigree or its lineage, it combines the instructions from the two great rivers of the Kadampa and the Mahamudra lineages. And so actually it is the most important text that unifies the instructions of the Kadampa and the Mahamudra lineages. That is this jewel ornament of liberation. So for these reasons, it is something that all Kajupas should study and take interest in. And we should definitely consider it as very important. And I myself consider it to be very important.
따디기 답을 타경이 지리지야데 무튜네 나타는 무튜도 샤인.
And so for that reason, we will continue with the teachings on the jewel ornament of liberation.
Then 다나시 달루미세기 아주 주막하기 배제 단계의 셰라버도 좀더 마세비 양지기 직접서로 초저서로 간소다디 오다 디조임비냐 안들이 주메 구제거리야 미세려가면은 아는 뭐 대통령이 하고 어렸으니 가서 라비비 대주산다디 초진에 숭추에도 지 타고 와다 초진에 엔 상맥이 지 가수에 셰바도 주바사디 지 야마저와 지당 셰바와 남지 주바와 남라 지 초체 대다람지 야 상계 덴바 징게지레 삼브로 든지기 지구르다 통진체 다가나시기 안다나시 주바와 남지 야 대신도 봐 셰바와로야 초체 든지르 체제 편주지기 지래야 안에 대바다 타베 나와 장토가 총이비나 근데 상계기 덴바를 뭐지 셰바도 주베고는 진토버지 용거래 셰마도베 시름니데 당분에 숭도 먼저베 강라 셰바와 남지 주바와 노야 디지 술산르체 주바와 남지 셰바와 술사체 데제는 마데와다 마튠버르 데제는 안에 신비미나 상계기 덴바사데 냐마게 냐가 첨부시다요 그래 드린주사 디균zen데네 야주 미리 데이터부터 야부시라 조스휘아인
In particular, this year, we have not only the nuns from the Kaju Shudras, we also have many nuns at this Winter Datha gathering who are from the practice centers, the puja and practice parts of the monastery. I said that if they had no other particular jobs that they had to do, then it would be fine for them to stay. And so on the one aspect of this is so that they can receive the teaching. The other aspect is so that our branches of teaching and practice are not separated from each other. It is only if the teaching and the practice go along together and accompany each other that we will be able to uphold the Buddha's teachings. And so, in the one hand, this is a way for the people in the practice sections of the nunneries to gain more interest and more excitement about the study aspects. And likewise, it is a way for those in the study branches to gain more interest and excitement about the practice, so that we can have mutual faith in each other and mutual pure perception. If we have such mutual faith and perception, will we be able to really uphold the teachings of the Buddha. And so it is important that we have both the teaching and the practice unified. If it is not like this, and there is like a big gulf in between the teaching sections and the study sections and the practice sections, and there is a lack of respect that the Shudras do not respect the practice sections, the practice portions of the monastery do not respect the Shudras, then not only is this the cause of discord and disharmony within the nunnery, it is also something that would cause the teachings and the instructions of Buddhism to wane and to weaken. So it is important for us to avoid this.
간다르 야외 까다 진주기 개베 댄주여가 나로래야 시에샤베 진이 디수 차상월 고야 다임베네디 진이 디수 차상월지 나라라 요마래 아드린 두산다 차상월지 매베 이나야 다 간다 가르쳐야지 나라래야 돼 상계 까마베지 Tsendang, Ginguru Jewe Hindustane, and Namjunji, Hampachi, Mashiran Shirji, Chadiare. Tainea Muma Tambo, Yagale Lendrod Baba, as Judulia, Pazi, the public audience, somewhere, Miman Jagadi. Duncha chik nalo le ya ting mangu ya re. Duncha chik nan ting mangu ya bichi ting ririn qabli ne ya qadiyu ne chik xie de re ta. Mangyong lo ma de ba kisi chik xie de re. Ane shugu dhaba ba chik nga le ya yigi chi le su. Yigi chi le su ta kyurang be xie xie ne xing mindu ta chi xie ma shiri shita mindu sa yarab chi yigi chi le su. O ta ti drasha sen do samsta. Susu le ya nye le chue xien gen sa de le ya Rengyu kan xia ge chue di nian le ya rengyu le ya nyam su le ne lang ne kala kanzam de ji gi gyu le nyam yong ge wa ji dang gyu tu ro wa de ji de de ji chung bu yin ne xin ne chue ji xie bi na di ka xie zhen ma yin ba da ne xin dang wa de ya ji dang wa gan bu ma yin ba 당와 럼바르 차트야지 용거를 성 정유 다 되는 거는 매빈 다 시에만 시다면도 선 디 진짜 public audience 말을 미만 제가 걸시다 시에요마 다 시다 시에면서 뭐또 다시 시제 참다 시에요마네
Now, when we are teaching the Dharma and listening to the Dharma, then for teaching and listening, first of all, for the teacher should be a genuine teacher. That means someone who has all of the characteristics of a teacher that are taught in the Buddha's words and in the treatises by the great masters of the past. But I do not have all of these characteristics. Even though I don't have them, though, because I have the title and the responsibility of the Karmapa, then sometimes I have no choice but to fake it. Actually, when I first came to India, and I got to Gyuta Monastery, we would have public audiences every week. There would be several public audiences every week, and I would always say a few things during these public audiences. And then there was one day when a letter came, and the letter, in the letter it said that actually there wasn't much point in me teaching the Dharma, not much benefit or use in it. And when I received that letter, then I actually, after that, I stopped teaching so much, and I didn't really teach so much in the public audiences. And the reason for this is that if you are someone who teaches the Dharma, then really, before you teach the Dharma, you should have some practice of that within your own being. You first need the practice. If you do not have any experience or any understanding of the Dharma in your being and then teach, then you aren't really teaching the Dharma. And so, in order to teach the Dharma truly, you need the experience in your being. Otherwise, the instructions, if you have the experience within your being, are the instructions no longer dry, but they become the moist and rich instructions. And so for that reason, I stopped teaching so much. I stopped teaching in the public audiences.
Tadne andalo malam gali bina. Ta nye dun drume de nye gozu sa induza shu de nye ma yeran jebje. E shema do ji ya ji sunju sawa de na ina. De sunju sawa de yuna. E de samlo ne. Anju gyabji je gyabji gyazero mo de jangwo ro mo chela soba. Anju ta gandar kamsangi kirum yindengi gyabjir musi namba solya naro shivina de weshin chambarchi doz kandara gyu molam sarvda gyu guju sarv de ngam mijigi kasure chokbarum ke chaga mandadi gyuji kamsanji gi chokbarum chaga yebi indusana and di tolya kirum yindengi gyo tamati sugi 마 순수의 나토나 야본도스 대가 편시 근데 바지 왕구래도 최시야 상황 예체들에 근데 자샵시다민도스 아 데인도 다 나로시 슈베레 데인탈로 여진장으로 무지 순수의 나가래 데인도 산에 네 좀부지 순수의 나 바지 가수래 ngar sunje na de kaswe kumji ye bata mangbo sin na nyung de ge yo ma de yin bi ne ya wo shira chungbre an de yin ju sa ne di gyun sen de ne an ma ba le yin bi ne ya ta nge ngomang go zu cha wa de yin bi na an shu de nge ma ye ran ge de she ma da ya sa ba de ye bi mi na an ga je tu du an ngarang we ne ji xie ma go ba Did check the bezur to see Kandaria Kashreji Drubagunigi Kizijare Karazana da Drubaguni machine deserta Digi Kizijare Lama de Nobu Penshi Novus Zade Yi no one gives a bit, she will pay yours, but they be so tabazumgi. 근데 배 가져래 란라 가른 데가 이네 대배 중국에서 제제 딱 간다 드시시 있게 다 진짜 노부자 전부지 유엔한테 나라지 나로지라 나라 메스 라고레스 데르 차로레스 라마도 칸 집에 지 배미 친도 하고지 양도 하고 셰셰셰셰셰 타마레도 다 진짜게 유엔데 삼지미제 받아 다티 켈레 유베스 라비상 알아 메스 아르지데 찬로거스 드린두사 디소르지 다 찬로거스 드린두사네 디규산 데네 다 간다레다리 타겐딩에 고주가 인자다 슈고딩에 마게란 게르시 다 데르시
Now, during the Kaju Mulam, the teachings for the Torch of True Meaning, I'm the one who started them, so I need to finish them. However, for the new teachings, as much as I can, I would like to ask His Eminence Gyaltsen Rinpoche and His Eminence Jamgon Rinpoche to teach them. These are I would like to ask the masters of the Karma Kagyu lineage who have both the qualities of learning and practice to do them. And I think if we do this, it will be appropriate. After all, when we say the Kagyu Munlam, the name the Kagyu Munlam is not given to just an association for me alone. It's a general Kagyu event. And so for that reason, I think it is extremely appropriate for the great masters of the Kagyu lineage who have the qualities of both practice and learning to teach. Now, for the empowerments and teachings that I've begun, then I will continue to do them. But for other ones, I don't think it's so good for me to teach them. And so, like this year, I asked Jamgon Rinpoche to teach to give a teaching this year, and Rinpoche did do so. And even though he is young and has not had much experience teaching yet, he did a very good job and gave very good teachings. And so in the future, I would like to try to avoid, or I'd like to do this as much as I can. The ones that I have started, I will finish myself, but for any new teachings, I will do as much as I can to have other masters give those teachings. It's sort of like there's a story about a great master. Once there was a Lama who was teaching, and he was explaining the benefits of a wish-fulfilling jewel and saying how if you pray to the wish-fulfilling jewel, you will get everything that you want. Well, then he was asked, so, well, do you have that sort of jewel? No, I don't have that jewel, he said. Of course I don't have that. So it's the same way. We talk about all the benefits of Dharma practice and the inconceivable benefits of Dharma practice, but then if someone says to me, well, do you have those benefits? It's like, I don't have those benefits. In any case, the teachings on the jewel ornament of liberation are something that I have started, and so I have no choice but to continue them.
다들 드린 거 달류 최점데 레균제 거든 버다 거에 동해 시아버디 차르스미제 리옹아바디 차르스미제 리오주바 레균제 시에 가인 버다.
And so it seems we have come to the section on karmic cause and effect, the 6th chapter of the Jewel Ornament of Liberation. We have gone through the first 5 chapters, through the 5th. We have completed the 5th chapter on the sufferings of samsara, so now we are in the 6th chapter, karmic cause and effect.
텔레 시합에 동해서 유치를 중요하면 사제기를 중요한 시합을 자고 되더라야 너들 레기야발레 레남자네 나서레 대인 조네 나서시 셰송소 이제 빼만 깔벌레 직딘이 레기 제발 레기 주바오 샘진남 레기 제발 레기 유레 중앙 레기랍도 저 셰송소 최응원바 저레기 직딘 나서 레기 셰송소 레디야 지시 인샤나 Sembele, Sambele ni ino, Tedra Chunga Boguni Dubale, Le Kanshana, Sambele, Sembele, Sambele, She Songsu, Chunga Bazzuelega, Lene Semba Tang Ti Che, She Songsu, Zashele, Chansong Chog Lenam, Semba Tane Sambrazong, She Songsu.
And so the chapter, Karmic Cause and Results, reads, you may wonder what causes the sufferings that were just explained. One should know that they come from the karma of afflicted action. Thus, the Sutra of 100 Karmas says, from the many diverse causes of karma were created the diversities of these migrators. From the White Lotus of Great Compassion Sutra, this world is produced by karma, this world manifests by means of karma. All sentient beings are produced by karma. They appear through the cause karma. They are distinguished by their karma. Also, the treasury of Abhidharma reads, from karma various worlds are born. What is karma? There are two, the volitional karma and intended karma. The compendium of Abhidharma says, what is karma? It is volitional karma and intended karma. Also, the treasury of Abhidharma says, volition and what that creates. And the fundamental treatise of the Middle Way says, the Supreme Rishi said that all karma comes from volition and from intention.
니 데니라 치도위 샤나 삼벨레 이길레 예노 선배게마 강이 받는 삼벨레 인데 류당하게레 소리고르자 대가라 영망고스에 삼배 이길레 대길레 류당하레 시송수 데더빌레가 티게벤데 오체바 동네 예와스만의 친이 더그르차로 보게 총례 재미 취미서
What are these two? Volition, the volitional karma is the mental karma. And what that creates is the intentions, the mental intentions. This should be understood as the actions of body and speech. The treasury of Abhidharma says, volition is mental karma, and what that creates is body and speech. To explain these kinds of action and their results, in summary, there's the classification, characteristics, ownership, allotment, increase from the small, and inevitability. These six comprise karmic cause and result.
della tangbone le de yawane sunde shebrchade sonam mai le yude sonam ge le yude miu le yude so.
First, the classification. There are three types of karmic cause and result. Non-meritorious karmic cause and result, meritorious karmic cause and result, and unmoving karmic cause and result.
다 되네요. 가르쳐준다. 레귤레사리. 레귤레서라 가지고 레데서라 가지고. 지단계도 귤레틀이야. 기브저를 중에 귤레시다. 다 간다. 심지기 비비 귤레, 심지기 머리 귤레 나만이 요거면서 섬트도.
When we talk about karmic cause and effect, generally with cause and effect, there are the effects that arise from the effort of people. So basically, with cause and effect, there are the cause and effects that are contained within the continuum of a sentient being, and those that are not contained within the continuum of a sentient being.
딱감들이야 레데사리 심지기 뒤버서는 딱 간다르 심지기 저와의 총액이 유대지리아는 레데스 수고였어요.
So here when we talk about action and result, what we were talking about is the causes and results that are contained within sentient beings' continuum, or the causes and results that occur because of the effort of a sentient being. So that is what we mean here by karmic cause and result.
lente give to all showing game and lente tele then kon suma da sigi and ya sum ta sonam mai bele judes ta migewa che sonam gele judes ta gewa che then miyo le sare ta kampone ge sum de ta ka de se ya sum yo re.
Now, in talking about the cause and effect that arises from the efforts of a sentient being, as it says here, there are three types. There's non-meritorious karma, karmic cause and result. This refers to unvirtuous actions. There's virtuous karmic cause and result, and meritorious karmic cause and result. This refers to virtues. And then there is unmoving karmic cause and result, and this refers to the samadhis of the upper realms. So these are the three different types of karma or action.
That game making lente karine, that the lente starting Hashwe. Mazunum you lente started the devils. Some done Bena Nye Gyawang Matalia, Kurala, the Mijilia, Ramja Shu, Telatene, Gyawan Delia, and Mijina, Ramja Shu. That thing I resana, taking on to Tili, sort of letter Sade, Paji Shavina, and Takana Shin, the two Mures of Sarusi, there is a dub there was some quarter. In a letter Sade, there is a dub there was she. Dub there was an Antanto Yana. The laid out the memory. Let us have no more shadish. Lede, Namsha Sada, Lede, Provan Sada, no more shadish. The Tega somewhere with the Yaji Cheval, then Kurang Tana, Chigre Sarati, Lede, Ravore, did you make a Yomare? Lede, Namsha Sadi. You're so sure sham. But a lente, Rodanti Casual Chilia Casual, the Shugan of Tech where we use Sane, and it's Simji Tigi Maiba. Donna Pajit Mazuri lente, and there was constantly Simjet Tamselia, Javati Yondi Sare, and the day to Sane, and Jigini come somewhere, whole universe somewhere. The company to the Java on the average. Did you get on Chadi use that? Did they allow you near part to shoot the ground to the Shuara Savage? Did they let out some Pandana and some Sanati? Take one anti, Lendelia, Yimash of the day one, Yangatwa. Karasan Kashiki, Lekatuzaki and Shedine, Miss Kozulia, do Nami do with Lamsan, I Lega out sitting in this dollar, Kativine, Chago, which is on the Lambo, you on the Asusi, on the Loa. Today you stand Hope the Janet, letters at the Kensar, never in some other society. You give out and dribble the one, you may go out and dribble to mention Saturday, never in some other society. Take in that thing or some disturb their child, their last choice.
Now, when we talk about karmic causes and results, when we talk about virtue and unvirtue, we normally understand this in an extremely simplified way. We think, oh, in the past I slapped someone in a past life, and so in this life I'm going to get slapped back. And so we have this really simple understanding. We think that that is what karma and result is. We do something to someone else, and then the same thing is going to happen back to us. But that actually is a really simplified way of looking at it. Actually, when we look at karma, it is not at all simple. It's not at all easy to understand. Actually, karma cause and effect is extremely complicated. It's a difficult and complicated presentation. And so if we merely think of it as being, I do something and then I reap what I sow, then that is just the most coarsest of the coarse ways of understanding, the most simplified way you could understand it. And it actually is not at all that simple. Karmic cause and effect is an extremely complicated topic. Because when we think about how karma and actions and results work, and if it were just something, there's one thing, we think of it as just being one person affecting another person, a mutual connection. But it's not like that. It's not just that we're doing things that are connected with one single individual. Instead, karmic cause and effect is related to all the sentient beings in the three realms. It's related to all the sentient beings in the entire universe. And so for that reason, it's extremely difficult and difficult to understand. It's not just what is connected to between any two individuals. It's the entire universe. And so for that reason, if we think that it's just you do something and then it happens back to you, then that is, we think it's very easy. But karmic cause and effect doesn't happen that way. It's not that simple at all. This is something that we see. You can see people who only do bad things, and yet the results of those bad actions does not ripen upon them immediately. Or you see people who only act well, and all they experience is difficulty, pain, and depression. And so when we look at it on the face of things, it seems like it can't be like that. And we might disbelieve in karmic cause and effect. We might wonder how it is that virtues always lead to happiness and non-virtues always lead to suffering. But the problem here is that actually we're thinking of it in too simplistic a manner.
차버스바이나 대갑대비 남과레마 다시 차버도 살에 차밥에 내거래야 다 남과레마 차파야 질레라고 그러죠. 이내 차파사 되지 대갑대는 신기 아주 대갑대도 살에 나오는 지 보여 질레라고 쇼마 차파사디 자외 기념을 제 남부디 진보디 가스를 랑고 남과레야 칼레안도 대야 롱게데 다는 제가 사장이 개발해와래 다는 신기 넘주 개발 시즌이 개발해와래 다는 신기 딱 간다베 용서 사고 싶으시지 다마를 비싸는 차와 바야를 식단이 주자다지 간다를 디 이제 규제 제바디 가수를 뭐 붙이듯이 대견 저것도 뭐이마 뭐 망부지 녀도 처배 규제된 처벌을 내네 규제는 거 뭐야 규제 나 처벌지 처벌을 대신 는 간다를 차봐야 사실 거래 다른 신기 레데스한테 다른 신기 대용 지민 주사네 뒤준스들 때네 맞아 동서치래 규이와 타대봐 다 꾸이 시미미미사 기시죠 다 뒤준사 마제기 졸이야 다 마제 졸이질래야 그냥 보지 천도 지수 유견의 상으로 하는 상계기 레데스야 레데스한테 때 맞아 상담은 레라도 되나 아니 꾸이 니시 주의 슬라바스케도 하나 아주 반드시 개념 들고但这是面上用的少学习也没影响他们这些嘛可能去的是吧你就找这么的全部的是来这城市找的天图有嘛的城市上的是考不出来的那就啥呢提前在店呢看到来这啥的学习的我用不起的用的少不起用了差不多一个月就真这样给他们学的行没记得这个没这里的怎么这个问吧但是连这啥的连这个的难的时候朝安中的成果来嘛说这个呗甚至成果等到了那个讲这个甚至他们这里啊连这个这吧啊做也为影响第一在这呢到底连这这个啥的我用学习当然是第三个嘛是为余党、土党当然是但呀这个那个语言的电线，然后我忙不抓也对吧？ 데 유산 디 균선 되네 레레사 고녀고 싶지 이바래
For analogy, you can think of rain falling from the sky. When we look at it, it seems pretty easy. Rain falls, the drops fall from the sky, and that's rain. But then when you really start to examine it, it's not at all that easy. You have to, and as you all know, first of all, you have to the clouds. The clouds form over the ocean. They collect the water vapors. They're blown by the winds. They have the right place. There's the factor of whether the temperature is right or not. There are differences in the different seasons and so forth. So it's actually rain itself is extremely complicated. And this is because it's,
디 균선데 남신과다 당에도 참참 다다 티금도 남시 weather focused 차 바고에서 차 바로 맞지
And this is the reason why our weather forecasts are often so inaccurate. The weather forecast will say that it's going to rain and then it doesn't rain. And this is why, because it's so extremely complicated. Because it's the connections of causes and result. It's not just the connection of one thing, of two different things. It's many different conditions and causes that are assembled that produce it. It's not just a few things. It's a variety of different conditions that come together, and only then is rain produced. And so it's similar with karmic cause and effect. And so this is why it is often said that only the omniscient Buddha can know the causes of the colors in a peacock feather. If you think about the peacock feather, then each different fiber has its own different color. And the only one who can know about this is the omniscient Buddha. Each of these has its own cause and effect. We might not think that karmic cause and effect is something that only the Buddha could know, but actually it's so complicated and so extremely difficult that it really is only within the sphere of the omniscient Buddha. It's something even the listener arhats were unable to know karmic cause and effect. It was difficult even for the bodhisattvas to explain karmic cause and effect. And the reason for this is that karma is so extremely complicated. Karma is not just something where it's the connection between a few individual people. It's not just a few people, it's all people, all sentient beings. The karmic connections are with all the sentient beings anywhere throughout space, anywhere in the universe. And because there's so many connections, then it becomes extremely complicated. Not only that, the results are also affected by the place and the time, and there are many different circumstances that also affect the ripening of karma.
다들이 이제 다 가르쳐해. 저기 남산계에 남샤 섬으로 다들이 가르쳐해. 렌제가 남샤 시야디 남산계에 다 지 개주르지. 다 개주 직차디 알아 섬 정리해. 가르사나 줄로 망부치기 다 family cost 섬으로 다 터두기 베지 cost 섬으로 다지 유견인데 단 지딘 꺼봐보 미직 섬으로 유견직에 제시하고 보지 도도를 지기 쇠샤고 보지 다 이면에 남아 상계에 들들이 건도슈변은 신기 다 유견 된진 나서버지 도시야발 되는 총모지 마다베기 에는 유 가르쳐 유견의 제 끼기 유랑왕왕으로 지당 에는 축토번으로 지기 에는 지 가르쳐에 좁대버지당 총대버지 레스나 아나 라 가정의 니즈토리아 라가 카보시기요 버지 되지 순거아래 네 유산 디균zel 때네 가르 다가랑게 가르된 거 알아잖아 아니 렌데스아데 아니 유엔 나서버질 되는 총대버지당 안 대야지 유랑왕왕으로 축토버지 되는 뭐야 다 간다라 찍래 찍되네 찍래 찍대네 언중과의 뭐지든 유산 디균zel 때네 단 들레 댄체 진짜게 렌데가 남산들 댄체 아주 가서디 야부지 들려야 배 콘슈브 투 중앙이미나 덴덴기 지 가수래 조직네 가수랑 아주 남상계 외출로 좀 챙겨서도 마세비 지당기 로미직 차샤위 미네야 근데 저기 렌데가 남샤디 지 가수래 남상계 렌데가 남샤디 좀세 지 시에도 총이 미나 데데 그럼 미지나로래야 데 가수래다 펜도용하기 아니 지 시제로 직착을 삼청이
The presentation of karmic cause and effect is really a particular feature of Buddhism. And the reason for this is that ultimately many religions assert that everything comes down ultimately to a single cause, a prime mover, a single cause. But in Buddhism, we talk about how everything arises from a variety of different causes and conditions. There is no one single object, no autonomous thing no autonomous creator that we can establish. And so for that there are many different situations, there are many different things that they arise. It'd be difficult to say that there is a single autonomous initial, a single autonomous and independent initial cause. And so for that reason, with karmic cause and effect, we say it comes from many different causes and conditions, and there's not any individual, autonomous, independent cause. Rather, it's everything being dependent upon each other, everything affecting each other. And so, if we can understand that, if we can come to an understanding of this karmic cause and result, then I think that this is something that will not only help us understand the Buddha Dharma, but this is also definitely something that if we have an understanding of the presentation of karmic cause and effect, it is definitely something that will bring us benefit in this human life as well.
다드네 늘려야 가르소에다 미기와 주송하래 미기와 주사디 지당 미기와 사디 망부시타야 하래 아도 미기와 이는 미기와 주 가능인 거에 여봤게 요마래 이내 다데 첩체와라고 하는 스카시 빼작하시가 나라 첩체와서 말면 다지 디지 가르소에 미기와 나 망부지에 나네 에는 미기와지 디제 냥가사서는다도 양지 미기와 독슈에는 됐어 주 루루스에는 서머베 디디제네 예스 디디 순고아래 다는 저가 나를 텔레첼롱 듀니니 사트바 텔레첼롱 듀니니 게더 미기 지리바 레기라는 줄송소 슬라비스탄다디나 베 카르디나네 미기와 체체 됐어 주 듀니 에는 미기와 주스에임 디디 순고아래 안드레 주사네 다 미기와 주사디 미기와 이는 미기와 주부 가능이 미케 응해받다 개요 말하디 유미네 다 조디 첩체왔잖아요 라도 양나네 다 체동 안에 소머를 지 소제베 체동 안에 비 삼신도 네 소제바다 양지 삼신도 맞지밀래 말았어 다 제기 가서지 배 강종 제샤바 난 디제 소르디스 시샤체네 아니 미기워주 소나마로 마도 베나 아주 참서 섭섭만 제비체 강배오 월이야지 모든데 세 쇼와르 니온디 와르 다이미 디 삼신도 세시스 게마마 다디 미기워르 에사나 다디 미기워 마레스 라프야 칼라 카보로바 다디 닌두사네 디규젤데네 다 소제번 차거라 소제번 차더라 다 소제번 차여 인다 미기워 다 차도 좀 미기와 마레스 라피아 칼라 카보레 레스 라마디 미기와 주부가 난게 소제바데 레베슬라나 안 바지 마레스 라도 그래 지다 미기와 마레스 라피아 칼라 카보르스면서 삼탕이
we talk about the 10 non-virtues. Now, of course, in general, there are many different non-virtues, but the non-virtues are not necessarily all included in the 10 non-virtues. But because these 10 are the most severe, they're the heaviest of them, you could say that they're the most dangerous, the most severe of the non-virtues, then they are talked about as the 10 non-virtues. But this is as it is mentioned in the Treasury of Abhidharma. To generalize the karmas, whether virtuous or unvirtuous, are said to be in the 10 paths of karma. And so when we talk about the 10 different non-virtues, this means that we're just generalizing and grouping them in the 10 most severe. Otherwise, if you're talking about non-virtues, they're not necessarily one of the 10. But these 10 are the most severe. Now, these, with the 10 non-virtues, these are non-virtues that you need to do intentionally and particularly. And so that means that you know that you're doing them. And so that is the basis for doing the 10 non-virtuous actions. It's like if you're walking along and you squish an insect. When that happens, then is that a non-virtue? It probably is. It's difficult to say that it's not a non-virtue, but it's not one of the 10 non-virtues. It's not like you killed intentionally. It's killing, so it's non-virtuous. You can't say that it is not unvirtuous, but you can't really say that it's one of the 10 non-virtues either. So it's difficult to say that it's not a non-virtue, but it's not one of the 10.
된저다 미기와 주분다 탐체 돈바신 코나는 예버죠 뭐이마 탐체는 예버죠 인소다 건도나 미기 주분 그 수림 단데야다 지 김바다를 중게 돈바 다른 시 하나마도 이제 숙면으로 다른 시 하나마도 있어 제발 하나마도 뭐 있어 제가 돈바 명긴 가사 변하지 남바 명게 되술래 얘는 미기와 주부디 얘는 예번 주고요스 셰마도야 가시야 제배 하나마도 가시 양고주 돈바 쉬사와마도 돈바 메쉬벌이야다 다 미세다 예바사 예배 남샤로 저 개체하스게요 뭐 안드레 인주스다네 디주젤 때네 미국의 주부디 돈바진 코나마이바 단 돈을 탐세도 예버는 요와 인세세 단 도군리 뒤바 잔데 나는 소요하래 단 도군리 뒤바디 루루긴 도군리 뒤바지당 조제가 도군리 뒤바지 바지니 있어다 루루데 면로 다 임바쇼 나한테 되지 라다 간다 도군리 뒤바 나한테 되지 소요자
And so with the 10 non-virtues, we have there is the discipline of refraining from committing these 10 non-virtues. And this is something that both householders and monastics follow. These 10 non-virtues are the naturally unwholesome. And so these are actions that are unwholesome even if you don't have vows. For example, it's not just they aren't just unwholesome or unvirtuous if Buddhists do them. They're also unwholesome or unvirtuous if non-Buddhists do them as well. So they're called the naturally unwholesome. And so such virtues as these are not just unvirtuous if those people who hold vows do them. They're harmful and wrong for everything. And so this is described in the compendium of the sutras. Now there are two different compendiums of the sutras. There's one by Atisha and there is one by Nagarjuna. And we will take it that this is said in the one by Nagarjuna.
미기와 telaya yena 루기 거는 숨 nga 거는 시 이기 거는 숨이야.
If we classify the unvirtues, there are 3 of body, 4 of speech, and 3 of mind.
다되네. 루기 거는 숨 되라. 여빈 다 루기 거는 미기와 숨부 들이야. 랑게 챤나 녀바 임바체. 챤라 쮸웨이 미냐. 루기 미기와 강분이데 챤라 쮸웨이장 다 미기와 응시 그거야 버치. 챤라 쮸웨이 미냐. 응시 토고야 버치. 응시도 자네. 디보 응시 서마레. 미기웨 디보 응시 토고야 버치. 다 가수래 당분이기에 챤라 쮸웨이 응시 토고야 봐. 저도 마세베게 아니 숨바 디장 아니 바지 가르쳐야지 다 챤라 년체발 다들 년체부터 갈아 가버리시도 다 간다 가리는데 미고와 루기 미고와 숨바 디게 아니 장게 제바 좀도 마셔 봐 챤라 제도 주고 있네요 아니를 디봉을 토고야 봐 다들 이메다 데디 처음에 스타딩에 나로 남 스타딩에 나로래 수여자
Now, with the 3 misvirtues, or the 3 non-virtues of the body, if you do perform them yourself, if you commit them yourself, then of course they are wrong. Not only that, for the first 2 of these, the first 2 of the non-virtues, if you do them, it's not only if you do them yourself, if you order someone else to do them, then you also have the actual commission of this yourself. So that means that you've actually done them. It's the same as if you've done the misdeed yourself, karmically. And with the third also, if you order someone else to perform to commit the third of the non-virtues, then just as with the first 2, with the third as well, if you order someone else to do it, then you also have the effect of committing you've also committed the main misdeed.
Send a message. It's not order. It's kind of send a message to help.
Okay. And also, if you send a message in order to encourage or have someone do it, then it also becomes
the third one. Third one. This is for third one. Yeah.
Then, if you send a message and have someone doing it, then in the exposition school, it is.
No. 나게 미기와 딱 나가 미기와 들량 랑게 제바 좀도 마서 시아나 제도 주고 이네요 되네 미기와 응시 타고야 왕어버 자제가 나올 숨요아레스 아들 숨요아레.
Now, with the 4 misdeeds of speech, not only are they the actual commission if you do it yourself, you're actually committing it if you encourage someone else to do it as well.
대참도 마세베 나네 마와서 베나 준데 참마 측종 나게디 시보디 나네 마와서도 마세베 류기 코르체베 있네 베나 준셰베 걸 참사양 꾸바가시 나는 마식 말와 이네 락다체는 간 락다치 카다 락다체는 카주 칸레제 에너지 라반데제 데제 진짜 토네 에너지 미들이야 바디 지 가르에 최는 응시 예외라나 칸은 응시 예외서 말하네 근데 제샤나 다 미지 응시 예외 고르로 봐 근데 제베 이네야 바지 다 찍고 차로래 독글리 디빈 잡아지 주나데 소요다.
Now, with the four misdeeds of speech, they don't necessarily have to be done verbally. You can also do them through your body. For example, if you pretend to be mute and just shake, give signs with your hands or sort of move your mouth around or move your head, then you can also be doing them through your body by making signs with your hands or with your head or your body. For example, if someone asks you, "Are you clairvoyant?" and you nod your head, then they're going to understand you as saying that you are. And so this is also said to be the commission of the actual wrong, according to the commentary on the Compendium of the Sutras.
네, 독규는 뒤바디 지징론, 지징론, 오케이. 다드네 미기와 주부들이야, 미기와 응시 토벌 제벌이야, 예라시 창고, 예라시 창고에 있다, 예라시 말, 예랑아 창고, 예랑아와들 시당, 누시에당, 삼바당, 녀몬바당. 타두라서 다들 망고지 예랑아 창고야 지기 기저지요래 디 토메기다 토메서 말베다 다 토메게 싸대가 나네 넘버 10로 두에 나로리아 디지 수요아래 다디 선이 뒤지 준비 있는 디지마 게셔를 체체 다 계속봐 대가시에잖아 미기와 차래 레라보면도 미기와 차래 미기와 응시 토야라 미기와 응시 토야라 고 예라 먹고 상고 배는 아주 팀대 지구지게 하는 팀 배는 팀강난 저에 돌이야 다 예바 사요다 메고 심중 망보지 권에만 다 되는 비슷 다가는 신기 남배기 최대 다가스 지가서에 심진지 세바 점식이 이 미기와 차토야 매버치 미기와 주의 난선의 기부 소저보다 차토 매버치 응시 토도 매버치 다딩의시 토벌 제발이야 예랑아 상고 예랑아 성수 가르레스 시베입니다 다데고 제시를 자요래 제가 디 선이 뒤주 충분히 쇼이
Now, with the 10 non-virtues, in order for it to be the actual commission of the non-virtues, there are 5 aspects that need to be present. These 5 aspects are the basis, the conception, the intention, the affliction, and the completion of the act. So all 5 of these branches, the basis, conception, intention, affliction, and completion, all need to be present. And so if they are not all present, then it is not an actual commission of one of the 10 non-virtues. So if we have time in the coming days, I will explain this more. Basically, it's not so easy to commit a non-virtue. In order to have the actual commission of a non-virtue, you have to have all 5 of these. It's like when you're trying a crime case in a court. You have to go through everything and make sure that everything fits against the law. So in this way, it's similar in the Dharma. Merely killing another sentient being does not necessarily make it an actual commission of one of the 10 non-virtues. You must have all 5 of these aspects present. And so I will give a greater explanation of this if there is more time in the coming days.
지를 많아야 내게 남겨주고 미겨 주되 류기고는 소셔버서 숨나고는 주인어서 시다 이기고는 남선어서 숨 대달 레rel한 된 숨숨이 이해와다 저보다 개발로 tel라다 소셔버는 이나 숨디 대사이고는 소셔버다 세당고는 소셔버다 띠무고는 소셔버 tel라당보네 샤다 빠벌어서 비처럼 재미처럼 놀기처럼 다감 저용수 개베지 소셔버 이번에 큰슈버도 단들교버도 불 시랑견이 소저버 숨번이 추진을 써봐 디디불아 숨 넘버미 비드보다 유튜브 비드보다 왕게 드보 텔 넘버미 비드보네 심진야워 겨원주로 유튜브 비드보네 가디 미르케나 세통시 내마워 주로 왕게 드보네 유tam이시 지지촌 삽겨wan 유로 케버네 소주베 나네 파양이나 자조마야 임바 디 소주베 딕쳐 마진발렘발레나 숨디 튜 마진발렘바도 저비 마진발렘바도 유규 마진발렘바 대라 당분에 예메바 전초 제법 이번에 강반 빅발라서베 마서로 꾸어 숨반 재산나 소발라 소소 제법 디 드블라 숨레 남버미 드분이 이다스케온 유튜브 드분 가디 미르게나 론저기 풍물 유 왕가 드분이 유세스르마서 깨어는 유 케버니 마진발렘베 나네 라마다 꾸적 놀라 마진발렘베 디고 쳐
The characteristics of each classification. First, non-meritorious karma and its result. Generally, there are numerous non-meritorious actions, but they are briefly summarized as 10. 3 from the body, taking life and so forth, 4 from the speech, telling lies and so forth, and the 3 from the mind, covetousness and so forth. There are 3 subcategories for each of these 10, classification, result, and distinctive action. First, taking life, the classification is that there are 3 types: taking life through the gate of desire, taking life through the gate of hatred, and taking life through the gate of ignorance. The first means to take life for meat, pelts, and so forth, for sport, for one's own wealth, and to maintain oneself and loved ones. The second means to take life through the arising of hatred, out of resentment, or in competition. The third refers to making sacrifices and so forth. The 3 results of taking life are the fully ripened result, the causally compatible result, and the dominant result. The fully ripened result means that the actor will be born in the hell realms. The causally compatible result means that even if the actor is born in the human realm, their life will be short or they will experience much sickness. The dominant result means that the actor will be born in an inauspicious place where there is little dignity. The distinctive act of taking life is to take the life of one's father, who is also an arhat, which is very heavy negative karma. Second, stealing. The classifications of stealing. There are 3 types of stealing: taking things by force, taking things secretly, and taking things through deceit. The first means to rob by force without any reason. The second one means to steal things by breaking into a house without others noticing, and so forth. The third one means to deceive through measurements, scales, and so forth. The results of stealing. The fully ripened result of stealing means that the actor will be born as a hungry ghost. The causally compatible result means that even if the actor is born in the human realm, they will suffer from insufficient wealth. The dominant result means that the actor will be born in a place where there is more frost and hail than normal. The distinctive act of stealing, taking wealth belonging to one's spiritual master, the 3 jewels, is very heavy negative karma.
Oh yeah, that did it. Oh, that didn't some check. Tagging the some check. That didn't dish would live. And that you got 당연히야 타겐디 진짜 더 샤바 베제드 카디오잖아요. 가시 네 베제 바카디도 미카시 인세용도 아들이 유산에 다야 보시고 조금서 아들이 유산 네 대바 제죠 다드네 마 지가 다디 슈들이야 기스 가시 시야요.
And so that is enough for the teachings of the jewel ornament of liberation. I've made a little mark. We can make marks in our text. Actually, when I make the mark in the text, then people start to wake up. At any rate, then that is enough for the jewel ornament of liberation, and I will give a bit of explanation about this.
다텔레양 도스쇼나 드리게래 상기 덴바사디 ane longda tobe dübe insta handa longdo ni na la man dübe sangi de ba ji oma des den de be ga longdo ni ge de ba de yang ji yom be sum cha le ya xie ba de zhuba khona ane ge cha wa re so an de du za na shi du ni de den ba ji yom be sum cha ga ta la cha sananda temba zigyo besum cha tab tambati shirub nilya rale de bichi chadi hore.
Now, when we talk about the Buddhist teachings, then they're all contained within scripture and realization. There isn't any Buddhist teaching that is not contained within these two. And in order to uphold and preserve these teachings, then we need to uphold and preserve the scripture and realization. And the only way to do this is by the teaching and practice of these two. And so the tools to uphold the teachings, or the methods to uphold the teachings of scripture and realization, therefore, are teaching and practice.
대야 세베 템바데 친인이 이거는 징거와 주베 템바데 다 주변냠는 이거는 징거와 송교 아래 드니 주스탄에 다
And so in order to uphold the teachings of Scripture, then we need to engage in teaching and listening. And for practice, we need to engage in meditational practice.
다 친이 자기 슝세는 친이 자기 다 된주 대양 지당게 덤버서서 좀 된대기 되네. 되네 가수레 숨베기 야외가 별 관심이 깨도 교르샤와 코나라다 보디 야자 롱고요 아래 되네 대기다 진주 진주기 캐바 나 자가르기 삐르다 남지 제샤베 대주 벽에도 교르샤올래 보디 니게 하스 도시온디 아래 다 되네 벽이 캐바 좀 제샤마네 다 보디 오네트네 치타를 개와 드스여브레 onda drin du santa de chenye cha ta shungmang bo de mangbu shi ji yawe ka da ji genjur da tinjur da ane phegi kheben je de jo mangbu chi yawe ne ya ta dina ningbu de bu de ka da sana ane ba ji a je nam ge phele phe ga je ge jong gi xie ji ga cha sa xian bu nam li ya de ne zo de shung ga byong an ya chenye cha ga da yawe ka da ji ju khebe den je la ane 벽이 개발된 제베게 대저 탐색이 인ing보디 ane 슝가병아디 나는 먼저 버지면 인도산에 ane 슝가병아래야 천이체 조델이야 천이나 아주 두스는 게 아래
Now the texts or the treatises that we teach and listen, these include the words of the Buddha. And those that were translated in Tibetan number around 100 volumes. Then there are also the treatises that were composed by the great masters and scholars who followed the Buddha, and there were over 200 of those that were translated into Tibetan. Likewise, there are all the treatises that were written by the learned masters of Tibet, and there are tens of thousands of those. And so when we are teaching and listening, then there are an awful lot of texts to listen to. There are an awful lot of texts to study. All of the words of the Buddha, all of the treatises by the masters in India, and all of the Tibetan treatises. But when we think about, well, what is the essence of all of these? Well, when we study them in Tibetan monasteries, like in the great monasteries, we primarily study the 5 great texts. And so there is really none of the essential teachings. There is no essential teaching of either the Buddha's words, or the treatises, or the Tibetan masters that is not found within these 5 great texts. And so we primarily study the 5 great texts.
더들이 뉴스는 천년 차그다 님 제사게 슝기 다 쪼르디 가병한 차대요래 드린 뉴스한 디규즈되는 주메기 근데가 나로래야 우망우마 뒤주질이야 지 주메기 다 우망우마 기지 맛이 다 좋아한다 우망우마 기지 맛이 다 간다요 다다지 참말로 가병한 천년 차로 이제 들리지기 가르쳐다지 고급 서비스는 라도 야나 들리지기 다 간다지 다 가르쳐야지 로규 서비스는 라도 류 서비스는 라도 들리지 온데요 아래 근데 인비스한테 하장기 딱 개발상고 다는 신 하장기 개셔고 나 권도 쉬거나 신기 야외게 룽기 때마디 천년이 이건 진거가 천년 제사기 다 님부르 슝망보지에 나네 근데 님부르 줘봐 아 슝가병 아이봐 근데 젤 천년 제하고 고급 중보디 오늘 전에가 딱 간다지 야외기 룽기 때마 지 차상화지 지야기 딱 개발성시다 총벌에 인두산디 윤전되네 야주 지디 개심부지 임상부지당 안디 개발성부지 인상배 토네 안디지 담에지 심슈 지지시네 안에 예 로조체과디 개심부를 삼정
And so when we teach and study, then these are the primary texts that we study. So at this point, for all of the nuns to have the opportunity to study these is a wonderful opportunity. You could also say it's like a new chapter, a new phase. It's extremely great fortune. It is extremely important. As I have said before, with the teachings of the Buddha's scriptures, then the way we uphold them is by teaching and listening to them. And so the texts that we teach and listen, or that we teach and listen to, the essence of all of those is the 5 great texts. And if we teach and study these texts, then we will have the fortune to be able to uphold all of the scriptures of Buddhism in their entirety. And so for that reason, we need to remember how important this is and think of how fortunate we are. And it is important to have enthusiasm for doing this.
난 너나 네 엄마 장수 신유에 간다량 준바의 주머니 상기 때문에 증긴 진비기부 임을 난다래 직벌해 마더베디 디 가르에 긴구리에 직벌해 긴구리에 직벌 인주산다 때문에 진비를 쳐봐라 대단 안주기 땡게 몰람 대신 추규를 배기 뗄리 된샤베 땡게 몰람 나로 추주 뒤시마 디나로 땡베시마 긴두를 보지 토드는 점점 러송 기초쇼 송바단 신기 토트임바데 당고 토트임바데 개샤르 토트임바 팀장 되네지 라바송기 유슈 가지고 알아서 라바송사데 상기 대비 닝보래 라바숨 차상하고 알았어. 라바숨 차상하면 상기 때문에 참 마상 잡다. 너나 런유를 라바숨 차상하지면은 상기 때문에 참 마상 잡. 라바숨 차상하고 알았어. 근데지 처음이면 에너지 상기 때문에 집에 기부지 차도 알았어. 이메네야 아니 발람질이야 지 주마솔이야 초진이 딱 고급디 때문에 지야 고급디 중요하면 다디 고급디 초진은 아주기 가수에 아주 참여기 뒤도 투쇼르 치면서는다 아주 참여다 만주면서는다 상기 좀된 되게 라버스 요소 저거 냠소 렌샤기 다가다 고급 찾아나가래 이난 아주 진주기 로마스에 다 만주면서는다 도대체네 다주 주말이야 다들 별도 주말이야 라버스 요소 저거 냠소 렌샤기다 고급디 찾아와지 매버 자기인데 찾아와지 매버 나한테 아주 투슈를 지래 막 땡아주 스지가 말해 나한테 아주 투슈지 안드네 인두스탄에 다 드림비 준zel 되네 안 다들 투슈리야 그냥 좋다 고급 사업으로지 들으시 연구에 인두스탄에 때 고급 사업 충분된 알아이네 가보시라 연구도 나는 신기 다 창매기 아주 다 현다다 강신이네야 다지 까마감사만 상미에 될이야 다 잡혀로지 상미에 될이야 잡혀도 민주 제지도 유에 임래 그냥 좀 주인이네 다는 신기 아니 가서 지 매베 고급 상보지 톱수냐 말고 되지기 문제다 제는 들으시 가서 다 고급디 마셔 차고다
Now, I have spoken to you about this in the past, but monks and nuns are the same in being able to uphold the Buddha's teachings. They have the same responsibility to uphold the teachings, and the responsibility is the same, and so they both need to uphold the teachings. So it is as said in the aspiration for the teachings to flourish in the 10 directions and 4 times, where it says, may all the Sangha members be rich in the 3 trainings, be harmonious, and be harmonious. So in order for us to uphold the teachings, we need to be, first of all, we all need to be harmonious. We need to get along. And second of all, we need to be rich in the 3 trainings. This means that in order so we need, and the discipline, we need to be rich in the discipline of the 3 trainings. And so it is important, this is like the essence of all the Buddha's teachings. And so if we do not have the discipline of the 3 trainings within our own beings, then we will not be able to uphold the teachings of the
first one is harmonious, second one is discipline, third one is 3 training.
Excuse me, I omitted discipline. So we first have to be harmonious. We have to have good discipline. Yes, so we have to be harmonious, have good discipline, and be rich in the 3 trainings. And only if we have these within our beings will we be able to uphold the teachings, and we will become individuals who are able to uphold the teachings. However, there has been a period when nuns have not really had the opportunity to uphold the Buddhist teachings. And this has been a loss for all of us. We have all abrogated our responsibilities. It has been a loss for all of us. We should give the ability to practice the 3 trainings in their complete form to everyone. But we have not. We have let down our responsibility and not given the opportunity to practice the 3 trainings to the nuns. This is not a case, this is not a glory of the teachings, this is a loss for the teachings. But so now you all have so now you have more opportunities now, and I'm very happy that you have these opportunities that you all have these opportunities. And I think that especially within the Karma Kagyu, there are many who support you wholeheartedly in gaining these things. So now you have an opportunity that you did not have before. And now that you have this opportunity, you must not let it slip.
And Dana Singi Bena Naranda Chirchambi Vinea Dene Sangi Gama be that you think it's lived at the end of the day. I lay Sambusan and Rado, laying in Bassan and Rado, that did Chumbre. That in Justan, Tigo on the Chevy Mina. Yawan Kamaba Jabamijudo Zigi. Kandara Namtarlan Chevy Mina, Dending Chikashwe, Kongi Le Short, Duel Le Short, Duel Le Short in Alolia, and Galome don't you pay the Mebe. Galome Tomba Shungen the Chumbina, and Pai Le Short the Pakajur Res. Pai Le Short the My Le Short about Kajur Somare, Domba Burning, Don't Sonche, and then do Le Short in Zenar. That was the pure conscience only up. Tindiji Pai Le Short the My Le Short, but you shall also chocolate. 제자들 미주도지기 레저한테 맞아서 매매서 시도 안드네 다나 신기 루유 가시나노네 미주도지 전이기 네 게노만 주베 루유야 게노만 주베 루유 파서 장발에 되네 게노만 주베 루유야 근데 진짜 대체 양왕 다 가서 제왕부 꼭 고만남 얘기장 딱 안들지 지 주면게 돼 대달 지 가르에 이제 민야발라서도 민염 공배 영화 셔도 아니 두개 라나메버도 젠도 다른 제여의 인도상 아랑리 비냐 대가는 신기 가르에 지 주메기 대 삼절이야 시르 신이 이제 시바도 주바당 안다 이제 퇴섬 공속이 냐는 야기 공배 영화 셔도 가르지 가르 수수 제토의 의미네야 대지 닝 타관에 제약이다 되바다 제약가 지금 학sam다 그런도 수여비 대 예바태야 지금 아랑 게르기 인트레스트 나지 다 좋아하는 상황이 봐 자와 고만남 남달은 제베 의미네야 드리지 제베이나 수도 튠버도 또 렌도 삼바도 지당 안은 다대기 지조가 네벌 대베 의미네야 다디 네벌도 고아지 렌도 삼바도 드린두산에 다 담배게 남다르당 지조게 조단다 가와대비네야 추도 튠버르지레도 삼르 지직 토안에 지 수승원님이야 가르토 가제토도 가르셔야지 남수의 바르도 삼르다 가제를 솜부로 가제 대교에는 디바돌이야 수승원의 강토도로지 매주 쇼고 삼르도 정기에 어느 드린두산에 강중원에 임비냐지 참서진 구치 매베 강에 리더 매베 강에 아래 다디 리더 매베 강에스케요 마다 리제 야고스데요 마라디 임비네 다 리제 탭자르지 리더 민다 쇼서르다 도스요 아래 인두산은 권ገብ매 삼으로 진지기 되는 뽑아 쇼모고체 안 다나시 당기 공도 주변의 신기 에너지 아주 감상기 자와엽스나 뭐 울쇼베 다지 러주제 캠보레 와다다는 신기 세계만서 참여행원의 의미냐 간다를 잡겨 타지도 유예돼 버리지도 그래 딩에 지 가수에 세버치 시에도고래서 저기 아 딩주산다 다다 고야데 가르고어선 다 소수용이네 미다 좀 소수용이네 다 심시로 맞아치지 음마이나 다 고급 매에서 당아주지 카르비다 excuse 치세요 다디 고급 톱사디 다 excuse 비시라 제사 매미 인두산 디스 수수용은 다 매주로 체제 다다지 체년치아래 다보름지게 내 당보비 퇴삼을 내는 지수받는 신기 퇴삼 자 두주래 다드네 리베신도 전에 퇴삼을 내봐 다 퇴삼 미직 시부바 퇴삼 제 두번냐면 자는 마치체 카자고 장가시에 되는 초스게야만 드린 주산에 퇴삼기 가수래 야부지 차베 젤리야 아니 두번냐면 제네 아니 정규 민버체 아니 드네 다 신규 트레버체네 신규 라버시 경화로 들리지 제가 드린 주산 근데 되게 다다네 되게 뭐라 심기에서는 라도 면람서는 라도 어다 담자서는 라도 야심부지 제거하디 개좀 쉽지래 삼청유
So I have been blessed with the title of the Buddha, the Karmapa. Whether you call this good karma or bad karma, it is what has happened. So in this term, I think if we look at the life story of the 8th Karmapa Mikyo Dorje, he wrote a collection of the of Vinaya rituals. And in this, he writes that if you need to give the Bhikshuni vows, then you should change the Bhikshu ritual to be able to give the Bhikshuni ritual. And therefore then the male Bhikshu Sangha on its own is able to give the Bhikshuni vow. And so this is said in his ritual. And actually, he wrote this in his collection of Vinaya rituals. And so among all of the collections of Vinaya rituals in Tibetan, it is probably only Mikyo Dorje who has said something like this.
No, he changed the...
It is probably only Mikyo Dorje who has altered the Bhikshu vow ritual for the Bhikchunis. Likewise, Mikyo Dorje also was known to give the Bhikshuni vow, with only the Bhikshu Sangha giving the vow. And so I think therefore when we look, when we look at the activity of the previous Karmapa, he also worked very diligently and put a lot of effort into supporting and reviving the nuns communities in general. And so I think that it is also important for me to do everything I can in order to support the nuns' teaching and practice, to increase their listening, contemplation, and meditation. And so I will do everything that I can from the bottom of my heart. I want to put as much effort into this as I can. And I think that this is something that is appropriate for me to do from now until the end of this lifetime. I think it is something that fits well with the activity of the previous Karmapa, and it is also something that is definitely necessary within our contemporary society. And so whether we think about the examples from the past, or whether we think about whether I look at the situation in society, I think that it is important to do whatever I can to help give this opportunity. And so sometimes you might, sometimes you also might have this feeling amongst yourselves, it's like it's difficult to find a leader or something, that you don't have a good leader, but there's no reason for you to be discouraged about this in any way. So I think that also within, it's not just me, it is also the heart sons of the Karma Kagyu lineage, as well as all of the lamas and the kempos and all of the monastic and lay communities all have great support, as you can see for yourselves. So now that you have this opportunity, it is important. You no longer have any excuses. Before, you used to have the excuse, we have no opportunity. Now you no longer have that excuse, and so it's extremely important for you to put your effort into it and to do what you can to study. Now is the time when you need to engage in the listening and the contemplation. So it's important but if you spend all of your time only studying without any practicing, then it won't do you any good. It will not benefit you if all you can do is speak facilely about the Buddha's Dharma. You have to put it into meditation practice and develop the ability to ripen your own being. You need to be able to liberate others' beings. That means you need to be able to bring benefit to others. And so now it is extremely important that whether you call this your resolve, or whether you call this a commitment or a promise, it is important that you have a vast commitment now.
Lumbu mawa nyuna zesa kijore. Dindu sanda kijma ushen chome. Datene diringi zirim di toanda sindadan deshi jawas kimendo shuzu dunda chegana gonda shuzu dunda chegana gubaba tamja chemoji nani yomada da talone sonde an tamja chemoji to syare tamja chemodi nimarliya pachu gomba nis che yuanan zhigmen sam chengdo tadadi gyu gunshe li ya na ni son de zhenzhe lu che ji jin zhendu lu che ji che ya na di zume gunshe de zhendu che kwa ske men do an de ma ba le kali kali ji ne dan de de dan zhendu che go do me ji ta dang ma tadadi ma gyu gunshe ma kra che ora sana an da ji gomba de me re che ji 좀 담자 되지 지가래 저들 주중디 두저 지금 총와다 지금 정화의 차리 아래 저들 대박 고시ገብ지 주중디 수수수 봐 고시겹 안데 가르치거나 고시겹지 그는 나 당보 단계에 가도가 말을 뜬거로 봐 가도가 말아서부터 들어가리나 고시겹지 안데 당토 예민이 아버지라 용면을 썸들을 정도 다들이 시험도 가면서 just give me a
It's probably better not for me not to speak too much now. As it is said, it's fools speak a lot. So I don't have much else to say, but I do want to mention something about the schedule. Most of the schedule is fairly easy, but you will notice that this evening from 7:30 till 9 we have the great group debate. Last year we did not have these, but this year we do have the group debates. So I think the best way to do this is that every evening 2 different nunneries will debate. In the Kaju Gunsha for the monks, we have competitions between the 2 monasteries. Now for the nuns, we don't have those yet. In the future, we will see how the situation develops. But in the Kaju Gunsha in the past, they used to have every evening they used to have the group debates. And so we will do this in the same way. We will have the group debates between different nunneries in the evenings. And the topics for this will be taken from the collected topics, the elementary and the intermediate collected topics. And so we will begin with the colors white and red and move on from there and divide this into the topics. And so that is all for now.
Sonam de damje se bani tonne nebe dranam bam yega na che balan choba sibe sole do delawara sho si she paljro mali joe she tope temba ire neba dan de se jebe kebo tamban Ajragye yunre shabde shoy pende jungwe neje Tenpa yuri nepa dan tenpa simbe kebo Kose kyalse tenjuro enchen chen kenye je ranso karma pa ge le che de karma pa ge do zo wang ko karma pa o jen do de chen le sha den sa ge nye je ran so karma pa ge le chen de karma pa ge don zo wang ko karma pa o jen do de chen le sha den sa ge nye je ran so karma pa ge le chen de karma pa ge don zo hong ko karma pa o jen do de chen le sha so pa de la ma sha pe ten ba da kanya yo la de ke jo wa da she ma le so san ji jane nyon do san ji sa la ge par sho